Did you know that turkeys can fly at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour? That's faster than your average car on the highway. Quite surprising, isn't it? This is just one of the fascinating facts about turkeys, a bird that most of us only associate with festive dinners. But there's much more to these creatures than meets the eye. From their unique vocal abilities to their impressive memory, turkeys are full of surprises. Now that we've caught your attention with this speedy fact, let's delve deeper into the world of these intriguing birds. Turkeys are not just brown and white, they are color-changing wonders. Now you might be thinking, color-changing? Really? But it's true. Turkeys, those seemingly ordinary birds, possess an extraordinary ability to change the color of their heads and necks based on their emotions. Just like a mood ring, a turkey's head can transform into a myriad of hues. When calm and relaxed, a turkey's head is a cool gray. Excitement or agitation can turn it blue. But when a turkey is agitated or distressed, watch out. The head can turn into a bright red, a clear signal to keep your distance. Even more interesting is the fact that male turkeys, or toms, use this color-changing ability to attract females during mating season. Their heads can turn into a vibrant mix of red, white, and blue, a dazzling display designed to impress. So not only are turkeys fast flyers, they are also walking mood rings. Turkeys are not just visually fascinating, they are orally impressive as well. With their unique vocal abilities, each turkey has a distinct voice that's as individual as a human fingerprint. They have a wide vocal repertoire, which goes far beyond the familiar gobble we often associate with them. These feathered maestros can produce a variety of sounds, including clucks, purrs, yelps, and even whistles. But the one sound that stands out is the gobble. This iconic call, which can be heard up to a mile away, is primarily made by males, especially during the mating season. It's their way of announcing their presence and attracting female turkeys. Even more remarkable is the fact that each turkey's gobble is unique. Yes, just like humans, no two turkeys sound exactly the same. Their voices are influenced by factors such as their age, size, and overall health. So next time you hear a turkey gobble, know that you're hearing a unique voice in the animal kingdom. Turkeys are not bird brains. In fact, they have quite the memory. These feathered wanderers possess an uncanny ability to remember their territories with exceptional detail. Picture this. A turkey can effectively map and recall an area of over 1,000 acres. That's no small feat. Imagine remembering every nook and cranny of a space equivalent to 800 football fields, from the sunniest dust baths to the most secluded nesting sites, from the ripest berry bushes to the quietest roosting trees. Turkeys commit all of these to memory. Their impressive cognitive abilities are a survival tool, helping them navigate their surroundings, locate food, and evade predators. But it's not just about geography. Turkeys can recognize and remember individual humans and other animals. They can even remember negative experiences with certain individuals and avoid them in the future. So turkeys are not just fast, colorful, and vocal, they are also quite intelligent. Turkeys are not loners. They have a complex social structure. Let's delve into this fascinating aspect of their lives. From a young age, turkeys start forming groups known as flocks. These flocks are usually made up of siblings and their mother. But it's not all family love and bonding. A crucial part of these gatherings is the establishment of a pecking order, a social hierarchy that determines who gets first dibs on food, the best roosting spots, and even mating rights. This pecking order is established through, pecking. Turkeys engage in what could be described as a gentle form of bullying, nipping at each other until positions are established. The strongest, most aggressive turkey generally ends up at the top of the pecking order, with the rest falling in line beneath. Interestingly, this social structure is not just about dominance and submission. It also plays a vital role in their survival. The pecking order helps to maintain order and reduce conflict within the flock. It ensures that every bird knows its place and can go about its daily business without constant squabbles. Moreover, living in a flock provides turkeys with multiple sets of eyes and ears on the lookout for predators. When a threat is spotted, the turkeys can alert each other and take evasive action. Flock living also helps in finding food. When one turkey finds a good food source, it's not unusual for the others to follow. It's also worth noting that turkeys have been observed to demonstrate empathy, another key social behavior. When a member of the flock is injured or ill, others have been seen to stay close, offering what appears to be comfort and protection. In the grand scheme of things, these social interactions and structures play a pivotal role in the survival and success of turkeys as a species. So next time you see a flock of turkeys, take a moment to appreciate the complex social dynamics at play. So turkeys are not just intelligent, they are also social creatures with a sense of community. Not all turkeys are created equal. There's a stark difference between wild turkeys and domestic turkeys. First, let's tackle the physical differences. Wild turkeys are lean and agile, designed for survival in the wilderness. They sport a dark feather coat with a metallic sheen, perfect for blending into the underbrush. Domestic turkeys, on the other hand, are quite the opposite. Bred for consumption, they are bulky and heavy, with a white feather coat that wouldn't do much good for camouflage. When it comes to behavior, the differences are equally striking. Wild turkeys are wary and quick on their feet, capable of flying at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour and running at speeds of 25 miles per hour. Domestic turkeys, due to their size, are less mobile and spend most of their time eating to maintain their hefty weight. The lifespan of these birds also varies. Wild turkeys, despite their challenging environment, can live up to 10 years. Domestic turkeys have a much shorter lifespan, typically around 2 years, due to their breeding for meat production. Now, this isn't to say one is better than the other. Each has its own role to play. Wild turkeys contribute to the biodiversity of our ecosystems, while domestic turkeys play a significant part in agriculture and food production. So, whether wild or domestic, each turkey is unique and fascinating in its own way. In the past few minutes, we've discovered some truly amazing facts about turkeys. These birds, often only thought of during festive seasons, are much more complex and interesting than many of us realize. Our journey began with the surprising speed of turkeys. We learned that despite their size, these birds are far from slow. In fact, they can reach speeds on land that rival those of a running human, and in the air, they can even outpace cars on a highway. It's a remarkable feat that truly sets them apart in the avian world. We then delved into the world of color-changing wonders. Turkeys possess the unique ability to alter the color of their heads and necks based on their emotional state. From red to white to blue, these birds are a living mood ring, providing a fascinating insight into their feelings. The vocal abilities of turkeys were our next stop. With a range of sounds that go beyond your typical gobble, turkeys communicate in ways that are both complex and distinctive. Their impressive vocal range is a testament to their social nature. Speaking of which, we explored the social structure of turkeys, revealing a hierarchy that is intricate and well-organized. From the dominant tom to the humble jake, every turkey has a role to play in their flock. We also compared wild turkeys and domestic turkeys, highlighting the differences that make each unique. From their physical characteristics to their behaviors, it's clear that while they may share a name, these two types of turkeys are distinctly different. So the next time you see a turkey, remember, there's more to this bird than meets the eye. They are truly fascinating creatures.